Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Redmi tab and see this unboxing. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. Let's unbox this first. Friends, I have purchased gray color. Let's unbox this, and you can see this Redmi Pad SE, and its other side is Redmi. It is newly launched here. You can see this. Let's see what is it. And it comes with 90 Hz of adaptive refresh rate. That is good, and powerful Snapdragon 680 processor with a, and friends, you can see it is a 11-inch display and powerful Snapdragon 680 processor. Let's see the speaker. It has Dolby Atmos speakers that loud quad, and it has 8000 mAh of battery life, which comes with 14 hours of video playback. Let's unbox this first. Friends, let's unbox this. And it has friends three colors: green, purple and gray. I have purchased gray color. You can see this. And friends, it is a tab. Let's see what inside the box. And you can see it comes with this box, a manual and a SIM tool pin, and here it is. And friends, here it is the adapter. You can see that it is a 18-volt charger and a type C charger. You can see this USB to type C. And let's see the, and friends, here it is the three things: adapter, lead and a manual. And let's come to the tab and open it. And friends, let's open the tab. Friends, here it is the new Redmi tab, and here you can see it. It's very looking good. You can see its camera, and here it is its power button and a microphone and SIM tool tray. Sorry friends, it's a volume rocker button, volume up and down, and here it is the power on off button. And here you can see the Dolby Atmos speakers. It comes with 4 speakers. You can see upside down. And here you can see 3.5 mm jack, audio jack, and this is type C port. Here you can charge, and this is the front camera. Here you can see. And friends, here you can see this is the microphone, and here it is a SIM tool tray, which you can just open it. And let's open this. And friends, this is showing here MI Android 14 here, and it is opening. And its display resolution type is friends full HD, and it enables 8000 mAh of battery life, and it has very good speaker. Let's set up this. I also show you sound quality test and camera quality test also. And it is a MIUI tab. Let's start this. Select the language, English, then next. Here it is India. Press next, and just allow the user agreement, terms and condition. Press next. You can add a network also, like this, and just skip for this, and just allow this and accept this. And you can also set up screen lock first and skip for there, and getting your tablet ready. And you can also choose gestures mode and button mode. Press next, and here you have to enable these. And just enable that, and setup is complete friends. You are ready to rock. You have to just swipe up to enter the system. And friends, you can see its display quality is very good. You can see it 90 Hz refresh rates. And friends, you can see its refresh rate. First you have to open settings. Here it is, about tablet, click on it, and its MIUI version is 14. You can see Android version is 13, and here you can see the storage. It's 20 GB is occupied out of 128. It comes with only 128 GB, 4 GB, 6 GB and 8 GB. You can select it. And friends, here you can see in the about tablet, it's come with RAM 4 GB and plus 2 GB extended. CPU you can see octa-core max 2.4 GHz. And let's check its camera. Open the camera, and here you can see friends its camera quality. Friends, let's open the camera, and here you can see this video quality, and here you can select the settings. Friends, its resolution, it's 720 pixel and 1080 pixels. You can select this, and its quality is very good. You can see I have clicked some pictures. I show you. Click on gallery, and here you can see this. Its back camera selfie. You can see its quality. It is not blurry. Its quality is very good. You can see. And its selfie is also good. You can see this picture quality is very good. You can purchase it. Friends, let's check its sound quality from the settings. First you have to open settings, swipe down, here it is sound, click on this. You can see this. And friends, here are some downloaded default ringtones. Just select one of them, and I show in full volume. You can see friends, its sound quality is very good. It is very loud, you can see. Let's back this, and let's check its video quality also in the YouTube. Friends, you can see its video quality. It is very good, and you can see its brightness. Friends, you can see its resolution quality. Click on settings, and here you can see. Friends, it supports with 1080 pixels. You can see that it supports from here. Friends, the tab has 1 year of warranty, and you can see its adapter and Type-C cable. It comes with 1 year of warranty, and you can also put memory card slot. You can see here, you can just slot, here it is. You have to put it out and enable micro SD card, and it is extendable up to 1 TB storage. And you can see it is video playback, yes. Friends, it does not have any SIM card option. It have Wi-Fi only. You can just connect Wi-Fi only. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.